move this meter for me? Can you move it again? Why don't you move my meter? Make it be real pretty colors for us. How about these marbles right here?
Where's the red one?
There's a red marble. You like that red one? It's going off an awful lot.
It's right up in, I mean, no, it's going over to the red now. It's in the red.
You think that's something causing that?
No, no, it would do it continually. If we're an electrical current right here, it would do it continually. Now it's popped. Listen, I've got an EVP machine right here that, I really would like for you to talk to us. Is your name Richard?